Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. I have a question for you. Do you feel stupid when you speak English?
Adam, that is a very strong question.
I know, Sarah, but I want to be honest. Do you feel stupid when you want to say a word but it is gone?
Oh, yes, that happens to me all the time.
You studied the word yesterday. You wrote it in your notebook. You repeated it 10 times. But today, nothing. The mind is empty.
It is the worst feeling. I feel like my memory is broken. I think maybe I am too old to learn English, or maybe I'm just not smart.
Stop right there, Sarah. That is the big lie.
The big lie?
Yes, your memory is not broken. You are not stupid, and you are not too old.
Then why do I forget everything?
Today, I will tell you a secret, a scientific secret. It explains why you forget and how to fix it forever.
Okay, I'm listening. What is this secret?
It is called the forgetting curve.
The forgetting curve? Tell me more.
Imagine a German scientist. His name was Hermann Ebbinghaus.
Hermann Ebbinghaus. Okay. Was he an English teacher?
No, he was a psychologist. He studied the human brain. A long time ago, in the year 1885, he discovered that the human brain is designed to delete information.
Wait, designed to delete? I thought the brain was designed to keep information.
No. Think about it, Sarah. Every day you see millions of things. You see the color of a car. You see a face in the street. You see what you ate for breakfast. If you remembered everything, your brain would explode.
Okay, that makes sense. So the brain cleans the house.
Exactly. It is like a cleaning system. The brain says, "Is this information important? No? Okay, delete it."
So when I learn a new English word, my brain thinks it is not important?
Yes, Ebbinghaus found out exactly how fast we forget. Do you want to guess?
I don't know, maybe 10% in a day?
No. Listen to this. After only 1 hour, you forget 50% of what you learned.
1 hour? 50%?
Yes, half of the information is gone in 60 minutes.
That is terrible.
It gets worse. After 24 hours, after 1 day, you forget 70%.
70%? So if I learn 10 new words today, tomorrow I will only remember 3?
Exactly. And after 1 week, you forget 90%.
Adam, why are you telling me this? This means learning English is impossible.
No, Sarah. It means the old way of learning is impossible.
What is the old way?
Studying for 3 hours on Sunday and then doing nothing until next Sunday.
I do that. I study hard on the weekend.
And by Wednesday, you forget everything because of the forgetting curve.
So what is the solution? How do we stop the brain from deleting the words?
We have to hack the brain. We have to send a signal to the brain that says, "Hey, this word is important. Do not delete it."
How do we do that?
Spaced repetition.
Spaced repetition? Those are big words. What does that mean?
Repetition means to do something again and again.
Okay, and space?
Space here means time. It means you wait some time and then you repeat.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you want to build big muscles. Do you go to the gym for 10 hours in 1 day?
No, that is dangerous. I will get hurt.
Correct. You go for 30 minutes on Monday, then 30 minutes on Wednesday, then 30 minutes on Friday. Your brain is like a muscle. You need to remind it. You learn a word today, you review it tomorrow. You review it again after 3 days.
Okay, so I need to review the words many times.
Yes, but you cannot do it randomly. You must do it at the right time.
But Adam, I am busy. I cannot make a plan for every word.
I know, it is very hard to do alone. Ebbinghaus gave us the map. Here is the perfect schedule. Are you ready?
Yes, tell me.
Review number 1, immediately after learning. Review number 2, 24 hours later, 1 day later. Review number 3, 3 days later. Review number 4, 1 week later.
Wait, let me write this down. 1 day, 3 days, 1 week.
When you do this, you stop the forgetting curve. You force the memory up again.
It sounds like exercise for a muscle.
Exactly. If you go to the gym 1 time, do you get big muscles?
No.
If you go for 10 hours in 1 day and then stop for a month, do you get muscles?
No, I just get tired.
But if you go for 20 minutes 3 times a week,
Yes, then I get strong.
English is the same. Small steps, frequent reviews. That's the spaced repetition.
Okay, Adam, I understand the science. It makes sense. But I have a problem.
What is the problem?
This sounds like a lot of work. I have to make a calendar. I have to calculate, okay, today is day 3 for the word umbrella and day 7 for the word happy. I will go crazy.
You are right. It is very hard to do this alone. Most people fail because they are lazy or busy.
Yes, I am busy. I have a job. I have a family. I cannot make a word calendar.
That is why we created Snack English.
Snack English? Our channel?
Yes, do you think we make these videos randomly?
I don't know, maybe.
No, Sarah. We designed this channel to be your spaced repetition system.
Really? How does the channel help?
We do the plan for you. Look at our videos. First, you watch a story. You hear a new word, like, for example, exhausted.
Yes, that means very tired.
Correct. You hear it in a story. That's the first learning.
Okay.
Then, 2 days later, we release a shadowing video. And guess what?
What?
The word exhausted is in the shadowing sentences.
Ah, so that is review number 2.
Exactly. And then next week, in a new story about Adam going to the gym, I say, I was exhausted after the workout.
That is review number 3.
Yes, we repeat the words for you. You don't need a calendar. You don't need a notebook. You just need to watch the videos in order.
That is amazing. So I just have to follow the channel.
Yes, but you must be consistent. You cannot watch one video and stop.
Because of the curve.
Yes, if you miss a week, the curve goes down. The information is deleted.
I understand now. That is why consistency is key.
Let's try a test right now. Sarah, do you remember the German scientist's name?
Hermann Ebbinghaus.
Great! And do you remember how much we forget after 1 hour?
50%.
Perfect! And what is the solution called?
Spaced repetition.
You see, we just did a review. Now you will remember this for longer.
This makes me feel so much better, Adam. I'm not stupid. I just needed a better system.
You are smart, Sarah.
So what should our funds do now?
They need to start the system. Step 1, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the reviews. Step 2, watch one video every day, just 10 minutes. Step 3, trust the process.
And don't forget to practice speaking.
Yes, speaking is the best way to review. When you say the word, your brain knows it is important.
I'm ready to start, Adam. No more forgetting.
Remember, small snacks of English every day makes you fluent.
Thank you for explaining the science, Adam.
You're welcome, Sarah. And thank you everyone for watching.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.